From my heart to yours. Yes. I am excited to tell you about the episode of my radio show. It's part of my podcast this week. And the topic is there a relationship between healing and the atonement? So this is for Course in Miracles students who would like to understand that relationship between accepting the atonement for ourselves and having a healing. And I share lots of tips and tools, as I do each and every week, of how do we actually live A Course in Miracles? How do we make it part of our life experience? How do we heal our relationships and heal our body and heal our mind and our finances and everything in our life that isn't thrilling and fulfilling? So each and every week, I give you lots and lots of tips and tools to really work with the teachings of A Course in Miracles in such a practical, down-to-earth way. And this week, in talking about the atonement, I found it so helpful just to think about this right now, because there's never been a better time for us to deepen our spiritual practice. We, teachers of God and spiritual students, we can be more helpful than ever because we can model the teachings of peace. We can model what it means to extend love. And it's so valuable to so many people right now. Oh my gosh, we have so much work at a time when many are unemployed. We've got full-time employment, being the peace of God. And so I'm very happy to offer this episode to you. And I encourage you to subscribe to the podcast on whatever kind of a device you use. And when you subscribe, then you'll automatically get every episode delivered to you in your inbox. You can also sign up for my weekly email, which gives you the headlines of the things that I cover. And that email usually goes out at the end of the week. All you have to do is go to livingacourseofmiracles.com/podcast. See the URL right here. And you can sign up for those weekly emails. Also, when you go to livingacourseofmiracles.com/podcast, you can see all the previous episodes there, many of which we have transcribed. So you can easily download a transcript there of any of the more than 400 episodes that are there. So those are some tips for you. And I'm so glad to be able to share these teachings of A Course in Miracles week after week, year after year. And thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing. Mwah. I love you.